Hey, what's up everybody? Stan Conrad from The Greek for All is here. Ta-da! 1000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, for writing good comments, inspiring comments which motivate me to work harder and to create more videos for you guys. So let's celebrate together. We're gonna do two things. So number one, I wanna ask you to leave a comment and to write the place where you come from. I wanna know where my viewers are coming from. I wanna create a big map behind me on that wall, and I wanna pin every single country, city or state where my viewers are coming from. So if you wanna see your place pinned there, so just write it down, and if you can include some nice wishes from me, I will really appreciate it. So number two, we're gonna learn Greek together. Many of you know that I have created the video course of Biblical Greek Grammar from Alpha to Omega, where I take my students from zero, from the alphabet all the way to reading and translating Greek New Testament. So what I want to do, I want to create 10 promo codes, but we're going to do it in a fun way. The first two people who will apply the promo code will receive $75 discount for my video course. The next three people who will apply the promo code will receive $65 discount, and the final 5 people will receive $50 discount. So the sooner you do it, the bigger discount you can receive. We're gonna run this promo probably for, I don't know, 10 days, 2 weeks. So if you're watching this video between May 1st and let's say May 11, okay, May 1st to May 11, this is when these promo codes are gonna work. So if you're watching this video after that, that's it, too late. So hurry up. I want to thank you in advance, those who will purchase this course, for supporting me and my ministry. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means the world to me. So guys, again, thank you for 1000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, please click that button below to subscribe to this channel to receive a lot of great content. It really motivates me. And so now I wish you nothing less than success. Learn Greek, love God, all the best.